your shared goal of achieving higher.
हेलो, विद दिस आई ऑल्सो वांट टू ऐड कि मैम ने अभी बात की अबाउट द मेडिटेशन. सो बिलीव मी स्टूडेंट्स, meditation is not about any religious thing. It is to calm your mind, just to take deep breaths and concentrate on that. ये आपको बहुत इजी कर देता है, बहुत काम कर देता है, आपकी कंसंट्रेशन को बढ़ाता है. आप करके देखना कभी भी. और आजकल तो इतना सब कुछ आ गया, जर्नलिज्म आ गया, उसके बाद जो है आप मेडिटेशन कर रहे हैं, आप मैनिफेस्ट कर रहे हैं, इतनी तरह की चीज़ें आ गई हैं. और इससे पहले अभी शायद मैम ने ही बताया था कि उड़ान बहुत है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं देखने को, समझने को, जानने को और पाने को. लेकिन ये हमें जानना है, हमें समझना है कि हमें अपने मन को कहाँ रोकना है. जो आजकल हमारे बीच में होता है कि बच्चों का ध्यान भटक जाता है. इतना सारा सोशल मीडिया आपके पास है. हमारे टाइम तो टीवी भी नहीं था, फ़ोन तो बहुत दूर की बात है. टीवी भी जब मैं 6th क्लास में ही तब हमारे घर में आया. तो ध्यान भटकाने के लिए दुनिया में बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, लेकिन ये हमें देखना है, हमें जानना है कि हमें अपने मन को कहाँ रोकना है, किस चीज़ पर कितना समय देना है. और यकीन मानिए कि जब 10 साल के बाद आप मुड़ कर के वापस देखेंगे तो आप में से बहुत लोग प्राउड फील करेंगे कि उस वक्त मैंने ये स्टेप लिया जिसने मेरे फ्यूचर को चेंज किया. और बहुत से लोग रिग्रेट भी करेंगे कि काश मैंने उस वक्त ये स्टेप लिया होता. सो ओवर टू यू भारती.
My next question is to Dr. De. Sir, please provide us information about the same. That what truly defines our limits? Is it the circumstances that define us? Is it our comfort zone that defines us? Or is it our perception about ourselves that helps us overcome the challenges?
See, the day you think that you have achieved everything, that will be the step for your downfall. There is no age limit to study, to improve yourself. After 30 years, I'm still working hard and still going strong. So you can imagine there is no limit or there is no age to learn and to study. The question which you asked before, madam, that in terms of serious adversity, how do we encourage and motivate ourselves? You see, what happens is when you are a toddler, when you first take your first step to walk, you fall many times. And that's the way you learn. Yes. In your work in life, if you don't fail, you won't be able to succeed. You should remember all that. 10 decisions we take in our life, 8 will be wrong and 2 will be right. And that 2 will take you to your career. And the other 8, you will learn from your mistakes and try to learn from there. So it's very, very important that you always have this growth mindset, that how we motivate ourselves, how do we work hard, how do you take it forward. I worked and studied. I took 6 years to do my PhD because I was a senior general manager of a company. But I didn't stop myself. I had several adversities, I had several challenges, but I did not stop in there. So what you have to do is ensure that you work very hard, you learn from your past mistakes. In terms of your, next question is concerned, is that it's very, very important that you pull up yourself, take somebody as a mentor. Mentor can be your parents, mentor can be your faculty, and ensure that you don't limit yourself, don't feel tied down with something else, and you work very, very hard, and it will achieve your purpose. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. What a thought-provoking exchange of perspectives it had been.